Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our double Air 8 72 by 96 flat top door. This is a simple, beautiful, timeless design that'll never go out of style. This door is oil rub bronze. It comes in different colors. This door also has this textured rain glass that you can probably hear my fingers run on it. It's got a kick plate, which the design duplicates on the opposite side also. Honestly, amazing door, maintenance free, pretty much, besides wiping it down. And it'll never go out of style. Like, install this door and it'll be there in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and it'll still look good, and it'll still look, it's a timeless design. This door is an outswing, which means the door opens outside the house. It does come in swing, and it comes in all different swings that you like or you need. It also comes in an arch top, and it comes in a single door and all the different variances in that also. This door, we arched the glass on a square door, which a lot of people will like. Some guys in the business arch the actual door itself and then leave this little triangle on top. We think it's kind of awkward, so this is what we do with it. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of it. Hope you guys enjoy the front end of it. Okay guys, we're on the back side of the Air 8. I'm gonna show you guys how the glass opens. Unflick the knobs. Glass opens up. That makes it easy to clean the bars, and it makes it easy to clean the glass. Some people like to use it as ventilation. On custom orders, we can also put a screen in it to use for ventilation and keep the bugs out. So on the back side of the kick plate, like I was telling you guys earlier, it's got the same design duplicated on the opposite side, and the curvature of the glass. Cool door. Again, timeless. It'll never go out of style. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Or if you have any other questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondors.com, or you can reach us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.